Are you brushing? You're doing such a good job, Nikki. Oh, very nice. That's very nice. Look, she likes it. She's taking a nap. That's a good job, Nikki. Good job. Look at the little tail. See the little tail over here? Good job, Nikki. Nice. Can you say nice? Baba, nice? You're gonna go brush this one over here? Which one are you gonna go brush now? Oh, that's Baba. And this is a little goat. Alright, they're all beautifully brushed. Look at her ears, Nikki. Nicole.
Yeah.
Nicole. Look at her little ears.